Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Volkswagen Jetta versus the Honda Civic. We'll dive into their core characteristics, examining what makes each car a strong contender in the compact sedan market. Our goal is to help you understand the differences in performance, interior design, and overall driving experience. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle aligns best with your preferences and lifestyle. When it comes to performance, the Jetta frequently features a turbocharged engine, delivering a peppy feel and good acceleration for its class. The Civic, on the other hand, is celebrated for its nimble handling and precise steering, making it a joy to drive on winding roads. Both vehicles offer a comfortable and composed ride, perfect for navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, ensuring a pleasant experience behind the wheel. Inside, the Jetta often impresses with its generous cabin space and a notably large trunk, offering practical utility for families or those needing extra cargo room. The Civic counters with a more modern interior design, featuring advanced infotainment systems and a comprehensive suite of safety technologies. Both sedans comfortably accommodate 5 passengers, providing a pleasant environment for short trips or longer journeys. Regarding fuel economy, the Honda Civic frequently holds a slight edge, often delivering impressive miles per gallon figures, which can save you money at the pump. The Volkswagen Jetta, however, sometimes comes with a more attractive starting price, potentially offering better initial value. Ultimately, both cars present compelling packages. Don't forget to check the description below for links to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.